What if AI actually remembered everything about you? Forever. OpenAI just gave ChatGPT a massive memory upgrade. It can now remember your preferences, past conversations, and personal context across every single chat. No more repeating yourself. No more starting from zero. The AI learns you over time, getting smarter and more personalized with every interaction. This isn't just a feature update. It's a fundamental shift in how humans and AI actually communicate. We're moving from tools we use to assistants that genuinely know us. And honestly, that's both exciting and a little wild to think about. If you want to stay ahead of every AI breakthrough as it happens, subscribe right now, because this space moves fast and you don't want to miss what's coming next.